Welcome to my channel. In this lecture, we are going to discuss cross multiplication method of linear equation in two variables. We are going to do chapter number 3 and exercise 3.5, question number 1, all parts, first, second, third and fourth parts. All we are going to solve it. So, please stay till the end. Okay. If you like, please press the like button. Okay. Now, let us see the first question. Which of the following pair of linear equation has unique solution? That means what? It has got what? Unique solution, no solution, or infinitely many solution. We have to find, by seeing this equation, we have to find whether this equation has got unique solution or many solutions or no solution we have to find. After that, what is saying? In each case, what we have to see? If it is a unique solution, then we have to find the solution of the equation by cross multiplication method. He is saying by cross multiplication method means we have to do by cross multiplication method only. You should not do in elimination method or substitution method. If you do in the elimination method or substitution method, the answer will come same, but method is wrong. That is why you will not get any marks. Whatever he says, that method we have to follow it. Here he is saying cross multiplication method, so we have to follow the cross multiplication method. So, before that he is saying whether this equation is a unique or no solution or many solutions. Let us see. We know that to find the unique solution or no solution or infinitely many solution, what we have to do? First step is what? We have to see the equation and that equation to be converted into standard form. What is our equation? X minus 3y equals to 0. This is first question, and 3x minus 9y minus 2 equals to 0. These are the two equations. We have to see whether it is in standard form or not. Then let us see. It is not, it is already in the standard form. He made our work easy. So, we need not do it, but what we have to do? We have to compare this equation with our standard form of equation. What is our standard form of equation? Here I wrote it. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0. This is our standard form of standard format. So, from this we have to pick out what is our a1, what is our b1, what is our c1. Similarly, question in second equation is what? 3x minus 9y minus 2 equals to 0. So, this is also in a standard form. So, we need not do in a standard format. So, we have, but we have to compare this equation with the standard format. What is that? a2x, this is a2x, b2y, c2y, c2. This is our standard format, yeah, general equation. Now, we have to compare this equation with this, with second equation. What is our a2, what is our b2 and what is our c2. Let us do it. In first equation, what is our a1? A1 we have to see. A1 equal, we have to write a1 equals to, then you go back to the equation. So, what in first equation, what is the coefficient of x? X is nothing, it is written, that means 1 is there, we wrote 1. Then first equation b1, what is b1? It is compared with minus 3. So, y coefficient is what? Minus 3, we wrote minus 3. This is b1 coefficient. Then c1, what is c1 in equation 1? That is minus 3. So, we wrote minus 3. Okay. Then second, let us go to the second equation. In second equation, what is the coefficient of x? That is 3, that is a2, write a2 equals to 3. Then what is the coefficient of y of second equation? That is minus 9. So, b2 will become, this b2 will y, okay, b2 equals minus 9. So, b2 equals to minus 9. Then the constant of the first equation is what? Minus 2, and that minus 2, C2 is what? C2 is our what? C2 is the general formula of constant. C2 equals to minus 2 we have written. Okay, this is our second step. Now third one, we shall find the ratios. Ratios what? A1 upon A2. What is our A? A1 is 1 and A2 is ours 3. Okay, wrote it. This is okay. Then second you will write B1 upon B2. Okay, what is our B1 upon B2? B1 upon B2, B1 is what? Minus 3 and B2 is minus 9, these two. So minus 3 minus 9, and you see this one get cancelled. Then it will go divide by 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, this one will 3 3s are 9, that equals to 1 upon 3. B1 upon B2, what it has come? 1 upon 3. Then we have to find C1 upon C2, because he is saying whether it is a unique solution, no solution or many solution. That's all the ratios we have to take it out. Okay, now what is our C1 upon C2? C1 upon C2. C1 upon C2 is minus 3 upon minus 2. Now these two will get cancelled. That equals to minus get cancelled, that equals to 3 upon 2. Okay, now let's write A1 upon A2. A1 upon A2, this is the same question. Okay, A1 upon A2 is 1 upon 3. Then what is our B1 upon B2? B1 upon B2 has also come, sorry, B1 upon B2 has come what? 1 upon 3 only. Let's, and C1 upon C2 is what? C1 upon C2 is come what? 2 minus 3 upon 2. Okay, 3, this 3 upon 2, minus got cancelled, so 3 upon 2. So now you see 1 upon 3 is equals to 1 upon 3. Okay, that implies then that is not equals to 3 upon 2, isn't it? So we shall write what? A1 upon A2 is equals to B1 upon B2 is not equals to C1 upon C2. If it is not equal C1 upon C2, is, if this condition is there, what? That means the given equation has no solution. When it has no solution, you need not do. This is the answer. Therefore, this one, therefore, the given equation has no solution. Okay, understood? Then let's go to the second question. Second question is what? 2x plus y equals to 5. 3x plus 2y equals to 8. So we shall see first step is what? We have to see whether it is in a standard form or not. Yeah, it is not there, because equal, after equal what is there? 5 is there, not 0. So we should bring this 5 this side. So you write 2x plus then y, but this 5 will come this side, equal this side, then plus 5 will become minus 5, that equals to 0. Okay, and second equation also let's see, 3x plus 2y equals to 8. This is also not in a standard form, so we should bring this 8 towards what? Left hand side of the equation. So let's write 3x we have written, plus we have written, then 2y we have written, 8 will go this side, then it become plus 8 will become minus 8, that equals, remained what? Nothing, this 8 has gone, so nothing is there, 0. So okay, this we have changed into a standard form. After that what we have to write? What is our general equation? Yeah, standard formula, that is what? A1x plus B1y plus C1 equals to 0. Second is what? For second equation general formula, A2x plus B2y plus C2 equals to 0. This is our second equations standard format. Now we shall compare with our first equation. Here first equation, what is the coefficient of x is what? A1. So we will write A1 equals to what? This is 2x. So we have written 2. And A2 is what? A2 x of second equation. What is the coefficient of x of second equation? 3. So 3 we have written. Then first equation, y coefficient is what? B1, and here we will compare with this first equation, what? Only y, that means 1. Then second equation, what is B2? Y coefficient is B2, but here if you are comparing with our original equation, what is B? Y coefficient is what in second equation? 2, so B2 is 2. Okay. Now constant is what? Our standard formula constant is what? C1. C1 will compare with the first equation of C1 is, that is -5. So we wrote -5. And C2 is what? Second equation constant is what? -8. We have written all these things. Okay, this way you have to do. Now we should compare whether it has a unique solution or no solution or many solution. If unique solution, then we have to solve. And now A1 upon A2 we shall find the ratio, that is 2/3 has come. Second equation, second ratio what? B1 upon B2 equals to 1/2. Then C1 upon C2 is what? -5. This -5 -8, if you write like this, it will be easier in the exam, that is -5 upon -8. Now you see 2/3 is not equals to 1/2, isn't it? So what first is not equal, then you need not see for the C1 and C2. So first is not equal, that means since A1 upon A2 is not equals to B1 upon B2, therefore the equation has unique solution. Now what in the exam, what in the question what he said? If it is unique solution, then you have to do by cross multiplication to find the value of x and y. Let's do in cross multiplication. We know what is cross multiplication method. First we have to convert the equation into a standard form. 2x plus y minus 5 equals to 0. We did 3x plus 2y minus 8 equals to 0. Okay, this is standard form. Now we shall compare with a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0. This equation we have to compare with this equation. Okay, then second equation also we have to compare. A2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. Now what is our a1? A1 of first equation, a1 equals to 2, a2 equals to 3, then b1 equals to 1, b2 equals to 2, and c1 is minus 5, c2 equals to minus 8. Now what we have to do? We have to write the formula. Then what you will in this formula? First you should write x, y and 1. X like that, give the gaps x and y and 1. Okay, x, y, 1. Then make a division sign, y upon 1 upon. Okay, between them put the equal sign you put it. After that in denominator what you have to write? Write like this, a, b and c. First you should come from b to c. Okay, so you will write what? B, C, again here B, C, little bit gap you leave it. Then between them what you have to give? You have to give the minus sign. Okay, in y then come from C to A. Then you write C, little gap A, then C, little gap A, then between them you put the minus sign. Okay, then C here, then you go for A to B. So here A, B, give gap, then A, B, then between them you put the minus sign. Okay, here you write 1, 2, here 2, 1, this you remember 1, 2, then 2, 1, these things you have to write 1, 2, 2, 1, here also 1, 2, 2, 1, here also 1, 2, 2, 1. Okay, now do cross multiplication way. So now write what? To make it easy, remember like that, B कैप CAB कैप करके लिखेंगे, लेकिन कैसा है B1 B2 B के लिए, C के लिए C1 C2 का वैल्यू डालते हैं, और A के लिए A1 A2, और B के लिए भी सेम B1 B2, B से शुरू होगा B से ख़त्म होगा, है ना। तो फिर हम यहाँ में B1 B2 नहीं लिखूँगी, इक्वेशन देख के ही हम कर लेंगे, ठीक है। B1 क्या है 1, B2 क्या है हमारा, B2 है 2, C1 क्या है -5, और C2 क्या है -8। फिर A क्या है हमारा, A is what 2 और 3, then B is what 1 and 2. Now let's do the cross multiply. So from top to bottom, the arrow should be at the bottom. From top you leave the arrow, it will stuck to the bottom. From bottom this fellow का, अच्छा my friend को arrow मारा था, ठीक है, हम भी मारेंगे, ये ऊपर से उसका फ्रेंड को नीचे से ऊपर को मारेगा, फिर ये भी करेगा, अच्छा ऐसा हुआ तो फिर ये ऊपर वाला नीचे को मारेगा, फिर ये नीचे वाला क्या करेगा, ऊपर को मार देगा, फिर ऊपर वाला ये नीचे को एक एरो मारा, और नीचे वाला ऊपर को एक एरो मार दिया, ठीक है। पहला क्रॉस में हम क्या लिखेंगे x, दूसरा क्रॉस में हम लिखेंगे y, तीसरा क्रॉस में लिखेंगे 1। तो अभी वापस जाते वक्त क्या करेंगे, माइनस होता है, देखो अभी x का वैल्यू लाना है, x लिख दिए, अपॉन कर दिए, इक्वल कर दिए, y करके इक्वल कर दिए, फिर इक्वल कर दिए, y अपॉन करके फिर इक्वल कर दिए, 1 करके फिर 1 अपॉन कर दिए। अभी इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, ये है B1 है हमारा, है ना, ये है C1 BC है ना, C2 है, सो B1 C2, तो 1 into 8 is 8, बट प्लस इंटू माइनस, साइन को भी मल्टीप्लाई करना है, माइनस इंटू प्लस इज -8, वाइल गोइंग अगेन माइनस, दिस इज द रूल, इजंट इट, BC माइनस B1 C2 माइनस B2 C1, है ना, दैट माइनस दिस वन। सो फ्रॉम टॉप टू बॉटम एंड बॉटम टू टॉप वी आर गोइंग, सो 2 into -5, प्लस इंटू माइनस इज माइनस, 5 2s are 10, okay, again y, minus into plus is minus, 5 3s are 15. From bottom you have to go up, then you put this minus value, these are all from bottom to top, when you go put the minus value, then again multiply, 8 2s are 16, but 8 के सामने क्या है, माइनस है, so we have to put -16, okay, -16. So and here 2 2s are 4, going back up bottom to top -3, then this equals to x upon -8 plus 10, minus into minus is plus, then y upon -15 plus minus into minus is plus 16, that equals to 1 upon 1. Now let's find the x value, x upon 2 equals to y upon 1 equals to 1 upon 1, okay. Now so now let's do, take the x value, x upon 2 equals to 1 upon 1, cross multiply, x equals to 2, okay, then y upon 1 equals to 1 upon 1, y equals to 1. So our solution of the equation is what? Solution of the equation is what? X equals to 2, y equals to 1. This is the answer.